Hello, I'm Dr. Roxy Barber, owner and founder of Rockin HRT, where we keep your body rockin'. We are from the comfort of your home medical office. All our appointments are on the phone or video chat. It's all telemedicine. And we have a team of really amazing doctors that work with us. So we offer hormone replacement therapy for men, testosterone therapy for men. And then for men and women, we offer peptide therapy. We offer semaglutide for weight loss. And we also offer functional medicine as far as we do different lab tests. We do a lot of functional nutrition. We have a really great registered dietitian that will work with you to whether you're trying to lose weight or you just want to get healthier with all your nutrition, or maybe you're having GI issues. There's a whole big area of what she can help you with as well. All this is done from your home. If you are local to Fort Lauderdale, for men that need to get testosterone therapy, you have to have a physical every year. So we have an amazing doctor that will come to your house. It's Dr. Monica Bartoli. She owns Orion Family Health. We work together. She'll come do your physical at your house, and she does it for a phenomenal price, and she is amazing. We work with local compounding pharmacies. So if you need testosterone, your semaglutide, some of the other injectables like peptides or nutraceuticals, they get to your house within a day or two, so it's very fast service. If you're doing any injectables and you need help with that, no matter how long you've been doing this for, you can book an appointment, which costs you no money, so that someone is there with you as you do your injection. If you need to do it every single time you inject, we offer that service. We can also teach someone else how to inject you if that's something you also prefer. We have great packages we offer for different things that we do. If you need labs, we send you the requisition, we tell you where to go and you go get them, and then we do your appointments online. So we really love the anti-aging medicine that we're offering here, and we really look forward to helping as many people as we can. We offer free consultations, so if there's anything we might be able to help you with, please give us a call or a text message, or go to our website, rockinhrt.com, and we'll get you set up. If there's someone else that you know that might be able to benefit from what we can offer them, please send them this video, let them know you did. We always appreciate the referrals. We look forward to hopefully seeing you soon or talking to you on the phone soon and helping in any way we can. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and talk soon. Have a great day.